Just listen to these airfares. Hyderabad to Prayagraj, more than rupees 50,000. From Delhi to Prayagraj, more than rupees 25,000. Mumbai to Prayagraj, 20,000 to 25,000. And these are not imaginary or exaggerated numbers. These are real airfares which has alarmed, which has raised concerns for the government. And that is the reason that recently, on 23rd of January, the aviation regulator DGCA met with the airline representative and has requested them, urged them that they need to rationalize the airfares for the flights which are bound to Prayagraj. The to and fro flights from Prayagraj, the fares has to be rationalized. And why this so? So the airlines, they have their counter view that because of the capacity constraint and the higher demand, the fares are going up and up. It has gone manifold by more than 20%. Whereas in seeking this sort of response from airline, now DGCA has approved additional 81 flights in the month of January, and which has taken the flight capacity for Prayagraj airport up to 132 flights in a month. And this means that now the airlines, whether it be SpiceJet, Indigo, Air India, they can deploy more flights for Prayagraj. But if you see, because of Mahakumbh, the airfares has gone up manifold, and which has led people to raise their concern on the social media platform, and they have complained to the government. And now government has intervened, and they are now urging the airlines to come up and rationalize the airfares. And it is very likely that in coming days, more such steps might be taken up from the government side to provide certain relief to the air flyers.